Hello to you all. Welcome to Jurif Killer Strategies. In our previous videos, we have brought out a whole lot of strategies, and we'll be getting a whole lot of positive remarks about the strategies. A whole lot of our students have been using our strategies, and it has been working so far for them. So this is our new rebranded fast strategy. We are working on these strategies to ensure that we make the market very easy for you to trade and make a whole lot of profits. That's just the point of these strategies. Ensuring you make a whole lot of profit from Derive.com. So it's not difficult to make Derive. You just have to get the right strategy with the proper risk management, and you'll be making more than 20 or $40,000 every month. It's not very difficult, it's very easy. So this is our vast strategy, and we just rebranded this vast strategy to ensure you make consistent profit using it. So we have, if you are trading, if you have been with us for some time, you know that we do the 20-minute session. 20-minute session is where you trade 20 minutes in a day using the boom and crash indices. So all you need to do is just to trade, pick a 20-minute candle in a day, and you're off the market. So you can decide to continue, that's up to you, but ensure that every day you make 20 minutes out of it, and you should be done from that. So let's go to today's business. In our previous videos, the issue we had was the trends. Some of you were complaining that you can't wait. Waiting is the issue. Waiting to get the right trend is the issue. But with this strategy, this our new fast strategy, you don't have to wait for the trend. You don't have to wait for the trend. You just have to check and see the opportunity, and you pick up your candles and you're off the market. That's the best thing about this strategy. That's the good thing about this strategy. So how do you do this? First and foremost, you don't need to go to your 1 hour. You can just use your 5 minutes or your 15 minutes and trade what you want to trade, and that's it. So you can see here, this our channel showed us that the market was actually going up. Immediately it was going up. We had our 30 minute zone here. You can see our 30-minute zone here. So immediately we got this zone, we knew that this market will start going down. We will have to wait for confirmation to enter this, to pick up our 4 candles or 5 candles or as many as you like. You can see when the market hit this zone, started coming down, but we have to wait for this our line to change. We have to wait for this our line to change. This our line we have to change to sell. We have to wait for sell. So once this line changes to sell, by then this our indicator here would have told you that it's selling. You have to sell. This is the first confirmation. This is the second confirmation. We have to wait for this online here to change to sell. You can see that it is red. You can see before it was green, then it finally changed to red. Then thirdly, we have to wait for the candle to change to pink. We have to wait for a candle to change to pink. You can see this candle change to pink from here. So from here, you can pick 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see our nearest zone here. Our 5-minute zone. You can see our 5 minutes and 15-minute zone. They are around here. Are you seeing that? So let me say you are a kind of person that like trading spikes. You can see from here. You can see where our sell confirmation came from here. Got the confirmation to sell. So if you wanted to sell, you would have picked your entry from here to this zone where the spike occurs. Then after that, the market went for a pullback or a retracement. It came to this level and the market started coming down. So you can see the same thing happened here. Maybe the market came here and hit this hour zone. Market came and hit this our 1 hour zone. Market came and hit this our 1 hour zone. Market started going up. Market started going up. Market started going up. So the market went for small pullback. You can see from here. It gave us a confirmation to buy. This is the buy confirmation for me. So from here, we would have bought. This is, you can see the confluence here. This is our 1 hour zone. You can see our confirmation, our round confirmation here, telling you to actually sit here, telling you to actually buy, and it's on the zone. So you can enter that market from there, and you hit, and you make some profit. So it's not really difficult. The same thing happened there. You can see here it spiked and got to this level, and you can see this our channel is zone. So just wait for it to change color. You can see this. You can scalp your 4 candles and you're off the market. Let me show you other scenarios. Let's go to boom 1000. I sell about 1000. I sell about 1000. And see two. You can see down here that changed to red. So from here now you can decide that you want to enter. You can see the first candle is out here. So you can decide that you want to enter this market. So you take profit. Once you pick your 4 candles, you should be off this market. Very safe. You can see the same thing happen there. From here, we got the confirmation. You can see this round ball on the 4 hour zone. We got the confirmation to sell, but we will not enter the sell. We'll wait for this blue line to change to pink. After it has changed to pink, then we can enter our sell. First confirmation, our trend indicator down here changed to red, telling us to sell. Second confirmation, we had our zone, our resistance level here, our 4 hours resistance level here. Third confirmation, you can see our round ball selling here, telling us to sell. Our fourth confirmation, you can see the candlestick change from here. Fifth confirmation, you can see the color of our trend line changed to sell, to red. So this is 5 confirmation telling you that this market must sell. So there is no how this market is not going to sell. So the same thing is happening here. I see our red line has changed to red. I see the candlestick. I see the candlestick has actually changed to pink. You can see it has hit our 15-minute zone. I can already see from here. You can see this. Look at our round ball here, telling us that the buy, telling us to sell rather. Our round ball here, you can see it telling us that it is still on a sell. So until this round ball changes to blue like this, that's why we know that it's giving us a buy confirmation. You can see our round ball here, our red round ball here is a sell. You can see this market went for a pullback on the 15-minute zone, after which the market started dropping. So like this, we can easily enter this market and place an entry, knowing fully well that this market must come down to this level. It must come down to this level. So it's not difficult, it's not hard. So this VAR strategy is very easy. Updated VAR strategy is very easy. Just wait for the candlestick to change. Wait for the nearest zone. Pick up your 4 candles and you are done for the day. It's not difficult. So that's it for today. So we'll be bringing out more strategies. All the strategy is just to ensure that you make this market and make good profit from it. So if you are not getting our BTS EA, ensure you get that. We just launched an updated BTS EA. They trade all pairs, all synthetic, forex, stocks, all market they trade it. And with the as little as $50, you can trade our market. You can trade any market with it. So thank you for watching and remain blessed.